Good morning. In today's class, we will learn about binary tree traversal. So, traversal we already know. Visiting each and every node of a tree is called as traversal. And there are three traversal techniques. One is the pre-order, in-order, and post-order. And in today's class, we will learn about each and every technique in detail. So, what is pre-order? To traverse the tree in pre-order, traverse the non-empty binary tree in pre-order. First we have to visit the root, traverse the left subtree, and then traverse the right subtree. So here the technique is root, left and right. Visiting the root first, then visiting the left subtree, and then visiting the right subtree. So suppose if this is a tree here with nodes A, B and C, the pre-order traversal for this tree is root, left and right. That is A is visited, then left subtree and then the right subtree. So the order is A, B and C. Now same thing, suppose if this is the tree here, if I have to traverse this tree in pre-order, so what is the technique? So in this you can see here, for this tree I have considered the first subtree here. I have partitioned into many disjoint subtrees here. First take this subtree A, B and C, that is root, left and right. Apply the technique for this subtree here. Now you will get A, B, C, root, left and right. Now if you can see here, if you see here, B has subtrees and C has subtrees. So B has to be traversed and C has to be traversed. So I have taken as BT and CT. Then in the next step, A is copied like that, B is copied, then I am considering the node C. A is copied, now I am considering the node B because B has to be traversed. If I consider the node B, if we look at the diagram here, I have marked it as blue color. B subtree I am considering root, left and right. Here right subtree does not exist, so I will apply the same technique, root, left. So I am writing here B and D. So D has to be traversed again. I can write it as B dt, that is dt. I have written like that, and C is copied as it is. Then in the next step, if you look here, A is written like that only, B is written, then dt again I am D has to be traversed here. So I will consider the node here, D here. If I consider the node here, D, that is root, left and right. Left does not exist, root and right. So you can see here A, B, D, G. Then CT is copied like that only. Then in the next step, A is written, B is written, D is written, G is written and C has to be traversed. So I am considering the node C here. So you can see here I have marked it with purple color here. That is again apply the same technique, root, left and right. Pre-order traversal is visiting the root, left subtree and then the right subtree. So it is C, E and F. C, E and F I have written. If you look at this node, again it has subtrees, it has to be traversed. So in here E I have marked it as ET. Next, in the next step, A is copied, B is copied, D is copied, G is copied, C is copied, then E has to be traversed. So if I consider the node E or E subtree, root, left and right, it is E, H and I have traversed. Then F is written like that, copied like that only. This is the pre-order traversal. Now what is pre-order traversal? Pre-order traversal is nothing but visiting the root, left and right. Then we have the in-order traversal. So in-order traversal is to traverse a non-empty binary tree in order First, traverse the left subtree in order, visit the root and traverse the right subtree in order. That is, here the steps are left, root and right. So first we'll consider for this subtree root, left and right. These are the root, left and right. Now if I apply that in order traversal for this, the in order traversal is left, we have to visit the left subtree first, root and then the right subtree. So you can see here left subtree is B is visited first, then root A, then C. So in order traversal for this tree is B, A, C. Now again apply the same, again have consider one more tree here and applying in order traversal for this tree. So first subtree I have considering is root, left, this is left, root and right. In order traversal is visit the left subtree, root and then right. So you can see here I have written B, A and CT. So B has subtrees, it has to be traversed again, so I have written as BT and CT, and C has to be traversed as for CT. Then first I will consider B node. B node, I can have marked in red color. B node if I consider left is D, root is B and right does not exist, I have written DB. So you can see here DB I have written. So D has subtrees again, so it is written as T and A is copied and C is copied. So in the next step DT I have written like that only. B is taken, so I will take one more example here. The same example I have explained here once more time. So A, B, C. So this is the tree here, if you not confuse here. Left, root and right is the in order traversal. So first you can see here B, A, C, T is marked here. B, A, C, T because it has to be traversed again. Then if I again apply for this node B, so left is D, B, then right does not exist, I have written left D and B, A and C, T are copied like that only. Then D, for the node D if I apply the same same procedure, it will be left does not exist, right is root is D and right is G. So D, G, B, A is copied like that only. Then for the node C here I have applying the same method here. I am considering the node C here. It is left, root and right, E, C and F. So you can see here E, C and F I have written. So E is to be traversed one more time, so I have written as T here, ET. Then D is copied, G is copied, B is copied, A is copied. For node E I have to consider traverse one more time. So if I consider node E, so this is node E. So if I consider this node here, left, root and right, H, E and I, H, E and I, then C is copied and F is copied. This is the in order traversal. Similarly, we have the post order traversal. So in post order traversal, to traverse a non-empty binary tree in post order, traverse the left subtree, traverse the right subtree and then visit the root. So if I consider this example here, first example, so left is B, C and A, left, right and root, left, right and root, B, C and A. Now one more graph I will take here and apply the same post order technique for this graph. So post order traversal, we know that it is first left, left, right and root, left, right and root. Now first consider this subtree here. For this subtree apply the post order traversal. It is left B, right C and root A, B, C and A, B, C and A, and B and C has subtrees, so it is written, it has to be traversed, so I have written as BT and CT. Then the next step, consider node B. If I consider node B, again node B, if you consider like this, it is left, right and root. Left is D, right does not exist, so write as B, D, B. So D, B I have written. D has subtrees, it has to be traversed, then hence I have written as DT and B. Then CT is copied like that and A is copied from the previous step. Again in the next step, again D has to be traversed, so D has to be traversed. So here you can look here, if I take this subtree here, then left does not exist, right is G, then root GD. So here I have written as GD. Then B is copied, C is copied, A is copied. Then in the next step, G, D, B is written as like that only. Then I have to consider the root node CT because it has to be traversed here. If I consider node C here, this is the node C subtrees here. Apply the same technique, left, right and root, it is E, F and C. You can see here E, F and C. A is copied like that only. Then E has to be traversed, so you have written as ET. Then in the last step, G is copied, D is copied, B is copied, E has to be traversed here. So apply the same technique for this subtree, left, right and root, H, I and E. H, I and E I have written here. Then F is copied, C is copied, A is copied. This is the post order traversal for the given tree. Left, right and root. Visit the left subtree, visit the right subtree and then visit the root node. This is all about traversal.